Okay.
I don't want
So,
ukusho ukuthi kuphi because ngizothi ngiyapray.
oh, okay.
But yeah,
Uhlala kulezi indawo leziyana Ndludi Mandlu ibeach ingaba khona somewhere lapha
yeah.
so nje uma isister uhlala lapho. So mzala, what is it oyenzayo ekulethela i-income mzala? Uyasebenza or umuntu wakho mhlawumbe unemali or kini ni rich or kwenzakalani? Ama questions wami mzala uzo understand ekugcineni ukuthi ngiyakuphi. Ngitry ukuza ngebill.
Mina ngiyasebenza I'm working at the private hospital. I'm not gonna mention the name of the hospital, but ngisebenza esibhedlele. I'm a mom of 3. I'm married. So,
3.
yes.
Ngizara ngathi uyi-2000 nje. Uziphethe kahle yazi.
Ngiphethe kahle angiphuzi.
Uzocabanga
Ngicela ngiyadlala but yeah.
Anyway, yo mzala usebenzile 3 beautiful kids. I wish uNkulunkulu aba protect all the time and every time. Kunabantu abasebenzisa imithi for abantwana ababo mabaya ekoleni and kunama pedophile nabantu ababhedayo. Even now we still praying for justice for uCwecwe. So nabantwana bakho na everyone ola live ini, mina just pray to God ukuthi abantwana beni baba protect. Nama transport driver nokudriver into enjanjani estradini abavikele. So okay mzala, njengoba usebenza kanje uyazihlanganisela uyaphanda yini into eza ekuthumela ukuthi uyoskenywa mzala? First time ubona lo muntu mzala awuze nayo kahle.
Ngimbone okay, let me just mention ukuthi ubani ugogo Mothaba Pula ku Facebook yakhe ungisize wena thonga lami, ubhale kanjalo, ngisize wena thonga lami, each word in a capital letter.
Okay.
So I was just on Facebook and I was going through a process, spirituality. So I couldn't understand some of the things we are about, like being namaphupho and stuff like that. So ngambona ukuthi okay, ama-post wakhe, like she's motivating people and there are things that nje engizibona ama-life wakhe uyabo. So I'm like, okay, let me just send a message to this person. Maybe she can assist me. Okay, fine. I went there. Angizange ngahlangana naye. Uhlala is in Northwest. Ngakhuluma with one of her twasses, Ubusi, Koko Busi. I went there for a cleansing. Bangenza a consultation efonini. Everything was true. Whatever that they were saying, it's something that I was going through. Then I went there, but it's fine. After that, every month I couldn't just sit and lean without thinking about them. I'll figure out, you tell them what you do, this and that. So I opened up and then backbone and stuff like that. Then I was told I need to do a cleansing every month. So, okay, month goes by. Every month I'm going there for cleansing. I'm doing everything that they say. Ngagcina ngenza umsebenzi emfuleni, but kunomphahlo that needs to be done. Ngathenga, I think utshwala buyenza about 20k. Phone kuthiwa no gogo bani uphuza utshwala obuso, gogo bani uphuza utshwala obunjanjani, you understand? Okay, somebody knows me, yeah. So, sathenga izimvu, but surprisingly lo msebenzi loyo wenziwe ebusuku. It was 12 o'clock midnight. Wayenza umphahlo. After that month ugogo waposta ukuthi like kunamakhomba wayenzayo ne, uthengisa imithi and stuff, like our contributor across Botswana, Namibia, like around. Ngathi okay, she didn't call me ukuthi I must invest. But the way bega advertiser ngakhona izinto, like if you investing in 50k, you get 25% every month, or you can kunema investment lawa yenzayo ukuthi uzothola imali yakho izobe like you say after 6 months izabe seye right. Okay, nga-investa ke i-100K. Angi-invest i-100K, I thought ukuthi every month ngizothola i-25% yami. I didn't. Just angazi noma kuzobonakala. This is my proof. Angazi ukuthi ish.
Afula i-brightness ye-screen.
Okay. This is the proof. Oh yes. Angazi, can you guys see?
Isondeze futhi.
Okay.
Ise phezulu.
Yeah.
Okay, siyayibona i-FNB lapho mzala.
Ubone FNB. Okay, then keep it that for my message. Can you see?
Oh yes, ngiyayibona mzala, ngiyayibona laphayana. The second one.
Yes, and the name of the company yakhe it's Combo Powerhouse.
Yazi ukuthi ihleli kanjani mzala? Like ithi ngibonise. But ngiyayibona mzala lento eshoyo. Where's the book? Yo shit. Masifunda mzala the way usifundisa ngakhona ihleli so.
Oh.
Instead of ukuthi ihlale so.
Okay, so ngibhekise kanjani nkosami?
No nye kukhona kuyenza. I'm not sure ukuthi uyenza kanjani if you are on Momo guest. Ngazi Momo host, but it's fine. Iyabonakala 100K lapho.
Yeah, this is the money that I sent. I must flip the camera. All right, yes. And then I introduce my in-laws wami. I'm like, yay, gune investment enhle kabi. You get 100% awuyenze awu investor ne 500K uthole i1 million after 6 months. Ba invest abantu.
Abayingaki?
It's my sister-in-law who resigned, mind you. She resigned at work.
Oh.
That's because she thought she's gonna get that. Yes. So after that, ngathola ama email ngoJanuary ne. Imali ethe imaturile. Sathola ama email ukuthi ugogo sekayagula. I have a proof. uBrenda wasenda ama email ukuthi ugogo she's not feeling okay. So everything nje won't be like we're not gonna get imali sizothola imali ngoMarch of which it was 2024. 2024 March uyafika kuphuma elinye futhi iletha kuthiwe imali zizophuma ngoJune. Hawu gogo
mamela mzala since ni investile anikatholi nesent.
Angikaze ngithole kusho no100 nkosiyami nokuthi abuyise 100 niksi. So ugogo ayapost uthengela ubedumile nje la kumzansi wathi wathengela umntana wakhe Range Rover, wathenga ifarm ugogo.
Hayi man ubani lo uthi ubani? Hayi ngeke ithi ngimcheck.
Wathenga helicopter ugogo une helicopter. People who knows her ugogo ku Facebook. I'm not scared of her because I saw today ubhalile ukuthi she's gonna start ugenza TikTok because there's a lot going on. She can even screenshot me. I'm ready for her. Ugogo mthaba pula.
Imaqala gogo?
Ku Facebook.
No. TikTok ifana neGoogle mzala. As long as Facebook nala uzovela. So ngifuna ukumchecka.
Okay, ugogo Mothaba Pula.
Mothaba.
Ngifala ngiyama account.
Na yamveza.
But isithombe sakhe angeke uzusibona uzobona whatever the things as
oh yes.
You will never show her face. Yes, ugogo.
Akekho la.
No. Uyenza i-dreadlock. Akekho, she will never show her face. But on Facebook you can see half of her face.
Google. Angeke gogo. Mo.
No, just search ngisize wena thonga lami. Facebook name ungisize wena thonga lami.
Uyelo.
No, I'm sure gogo wakhe because she's always saying about ugogo wakhe ukuthi once you say something ugogo wakhe uzodila nawe.
Ngisearch bani mzala?
Ngisize.
How do you spell ngisize?
It's N, capital letter N, and then G-I. Yes, ugogo Mthabapula. G-I-S, like ngisize.
Size, gogo ngisize.
Hayi gogo ngisize. It's ngisize wena thonga lami. That's her Facebook page.
Oh, gogo. Ngisize wena
Thonga lami. That's her Facebook name.
thonga lami now. Yes, suggest. Oh, I mzala kuyomela ngimlande ku Facebook ayimvezi la.
Yeah, uvela ku Facebook akaveli kuma ugogo Mthabapula. Akaveli like kwamanye ama socials. She's on Facebook. But ngibonile ngazothi ubone mhlambe or somebody wamathwasa yakhe bekakhona la. Ngibona ubhala ukuthi akazongena ku TikTok. Apparently uneyinkabi. Once you report such things, uneyinkabi zizokutracker down so nje.
Nam akaloyani ne?
Lawyer blind allegedly, but I know you can check her page. In the name of Jesus, nothing will happen.
Yes, hallelujah. So manje nifake 100k sebeyanziba January, February, March, April, May, June.
Yes, kuphuma letter ngoJanuary, but apparently she's sick. So we must give her time. Kwaba khona omunye ubaba obekade invest about 5 million. Wathi why am reporter cause lo baba wang inbox wangitshela ukuthi we must report her from the bank cause we went to yin lento like checkpoint moja love what they will not respond. Nobody will respond nje athi uzokusiza ngalento le yaloko.
Yazi into ebuhlungu.
Ibhlungu because now we uke want to tell abantu abaclose now about this thing and then this happened. So once you comment about imali le investment, she will definitely block you. So mina ngivele create another Facebook ngimlandele just to check ukuthi what's going on. And ngo December uyithe ama payouts azoba khona. I screenshot everything. Uyithe ama payouts azoba khona azophuma nge7 ka December twatla yafela December.
So imali enokhiwe wena between wena nefamily yakho nama close friends nabo bani kuyimalini 300,000.
Yes.
Inamba yakhe lo mama unayo?
Inamba le enginayo nginenamba ye landline yale personal assistant yakhe but ayisangeni uzwa nje ukuthi welcome to Combo Powerhouse blah 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 for this for consultation for Combo what products you log after that you say your card since from last year I seventh. But yena she's living large, she's owning uthenge a farm, a big farm in Northwest. Une helicopter. Une fleet, leya mama unama fleet weimoto. Bekathenga imoto every month. Athi idlozi lakhe limtshela ukuthi she needs to buy cars.
Hey man.
So into engenzile ukuthi ngi-invest beka poster abeka nezinto ukuthi uyenza ama payouts yabo like ngibona ukuthi okay kushuthi ugogo vele uyababhadala abantu so let me just try with 100k because I was gonna go higher than what I invested until ke ayenza lesigeme sakhe. So nje injalo nje indaba kagogo lo.
Sanibonani.
Hi Sisi.
Ninjani? Okay Phiwe, I think maybe Bonvin, ne? Ha so tlhalose hantle how they got to invest, ne? So this woman kingak, okay, kingak, Arabia. Then she's living large, very large, very large, you know.
No.
Now, una le diwasho, una le dilo ba digupu ba re ke bo magolite, una le ya bona izinto ezinjalo tsa gore ba re ke di money what. All right? Now, because una le so many customers, she came up with a plan ya gore people must invest so that ayenze imithi eminingi. Le mithi iyathengiswa, after ithengisiwe uzothola imali yakho plus that profit. So that is how they got to invest, because there is a lot of demand. Now I need to give people an opportunity to invest and make money. And because of the type of lifestyle she is portraying, you would believe ukuthi no, ikhona ngamampela imali.
Buyimali.
Yayibona into enjalo. So mina Bonvin ngifuna ukucela ukubuza Mzala, ngicela ukubuza ne. It's questions that I would like you to ask Mzala, but because you don't know the background story, you might not ask those questions. Bonvin,
Yes.
when you went for the cleansing, was it one of her rituals? Because unama rituals.
Yeah, unama rituals, yes.
Kune ritual, but lawo ma rituals, but it's money rituals, ne?
Yeah.
Kune ritual, yeah, and they are done at night. But kune maggots, la bathi bakufaka kuma maggots akuhamba umzimba wonke. Kune blood ritual, lapho bathi niphuzi igazi, lapho angazilani. Kune enye bathi
yazi niyaloya
Hambe not the pick and noodles up. Nangalesikhathi manje you
Yeah.
wait. They started.
So mina I want to know ne ukuthi when are you cleansing? What cleansing was it?
Mina my cleansing, thank you for asking. Benyenza cleansing yoguti okay ngiconsultile ne. And then I was told ukuthi kumele ngigeze idlozi lami ukuthi ngikhona ukubona ukuthi ngizoyapi like with my spiritual journey. So they said I must do that every month until kwaze kwafika to a point whereby bathi kumele ngenze umphahlo. So umphahlo loyo uyenzwa lapha eCrocodile River. If ngabe you've been there, uthenga utshwala and then kuyenza umphahlo isibindi, udlisa isibindi esi-raw, like a raw liver. And then kunezinto ezihambayo bazokutshela ukuthi no sekafikile ke manje sekafikile. Angikhuluma into ebenzekele, like I'm so ngikhuluma into enzakele. So indaba le bengingakofiki kuma ritual lawa wakhe, like wokuthi cause washo ukuthi I need ukuthi ngizothwasela kuye. That's where I stopped because ngathi this is not where I belong. I don't do izinto zoku because I've never seen isangoma ekhaya, you understand? So that's where I stopped. Ugenza lamanto lezinto lezakhe lama cleansing lawa wakhe.
The reason why I'm asking is because ukhuluma nge-cleansing but i-cleansing yenzwe ebusuku.
Yes, no, let me explain. But ama cleansing wabo, they don't do cleansing emini, they do ama cleansing ebusuku ngo-12 o'clock.
no
Okay,
wena yabona ama questions owabuzayo mina bengizowabuza lawo ma questions but I was trying to stick ku main factor esilethelana imali yabona
Hey, ukuthwala no, yo.
so ngiyibonile mina mbuze ngithene mina angizange ngibuza ukuthi uniyaloya na ngizwa
Hayi,
isaqala
lapha yena kuyaloywa
Laphana kuyaloya, like honestly I've noticed after ngiqeda ukuyenza ngithi umsebenzi nakhona ngibuza ugogo wami ngithi yazi gogo ngibuye kuyenza umsebenzi kulo mama lo bengithi ngimtholile wathi ugogo umsebenzi akube bathi mhlambe uthole umessage bathi kuyenza umsebenzi kumele uyenze umsebenzi ekhaya hayi ukuthi uyenza umsebenzi emfuleni shuthi bosiza whatever lezinto lo mama lo ayenza ngazo, like you understand. So kahle she was trying to pursue whatever things that she was trying to do ngokuthi mhlambe ngizotrust because yena bekafuna ukuthi ngizotrustela kuye. Ngathi ukutrust angiyeni indabeni zokutrust. Mina I just want to fix my spiritual life.
uyabona as soon as uNkulunkulu angiblessa ngabo ma 400,000 I will never take 150,000 or 100,000 ngihambe ngiyoza hey guys mina ngidlala ngama blessings wenu nidlala ngawo hey nidlala ngama blessings wenu hey man angazi ngithini kini. Yes, do you know ukuthi there were people lana ku TikTok